100k guys, finally we have eventually hit 100k. Tahniah kepada semua orang yang telah hold Bitcoin semenjak November. Bila kita sampai ke 93k, 99k, everybody was waiting for that 100k. Eventually kita telah break 100k. Okay, so even if you bought in the last bull run, kalau anda beli dekat 50k or 60k, you are in profit, right? You guys are in profit now. So very crazy times. Let's take a look at the markets, right? I have a few updates for you, some big updates, not really big updates lah, but something to keep an eye on Solana, right? And a bit of news lah. Okay, so let's take a look at comments. First, I really appreciate when you guys leave comments like this. Saya doakan awak diperbanyakkan rezeki dan dipermudahkan segala urusan. Amin. Terima kasih Rafiq. It means a lot to me lah, seeing that there's a lot of support coming from the Malaysian crypto community. Yeah, congratulations on 10k. Congrats 10k. Thank you very much guys. Thank you very much. Okay, let's see if we have any questions to go through. Bro, Solana akan naik juga ke tahun depan. Okay, Solana, I have something to update you guys on. Okay, so kita akan tengok chart nanti ya. Let's look at the charts for Solana later. Alright. So looking at the heat map. So heat map for the past 1 year. Now, kalau kita bandingkan liquidity yang telah build up di atas dan di bawah, I was actually wrong. Apa yang saya expect ialah orang akan mula lompat dan short bila kita sampai 100k. But looking at the liquidity now, kalau kita bandingkan berapa liquidity dekat atas, 420 million, dan berapa liquidity dekat bawah sini, about 3.6 billion, lebih ramai orang sedang FOMO dan sedang long. So there's a lot of people jumping into longs. Right. Now this is very important sebab it's important that we are able to close and maintain above 100k. Right, close and maintain above 100k. We'll look at the charts later. Okay, but right now there's a lot of liquidity building up below. So saya seorang trader, saya bukan nak buat FUD, tetapi usually bila ada ramai orang sedang FOMO, sedang masuk dengan leverage terlalu tinggi, usually the market needs to cool down and wipe out a little bit of that leverage. Right, we'll see the funding rate start to go up. The market has to cool down. Naturally, it has to cool down. Dan itu akan membuat market pullback sedikit. Okay, so what goes up has to come down a little bit, at least a little bit. Okay, crypto bubbles quite stable over the board, dan kita akan tengok kenapa dia stable, kenapa market belum meletup. Right, Bitcoin dah sampai 100k tapi market belum meletup. Why? Let's take a look at that later. Okay, so we have a bit of interesting news. South Korea to inject unlimited liquidity into markets as long as necessary. So I think 2 days ago, South Korea, the Prime Minister or President telah announce martial law. So basically martial law ialah military boleh tangkap siapa-siapa kalau dia didapatkan membangkang government. Betul ke perkataan tu, membangkang? Kalau didapatkan mereka tak bersetujulah dengan government ke whatever, mereka boleh tangkap tanpa perlu warrant. Right, so the military has complete control over who they want to arrest. Tapi dia after about a few hours, I think less than 10 hours, dia tarik balik martial law ni. Okay, dia tarik balik martial law. And now they've decided that they need to pump unlimited liquidity until complete normalization of the domestic markets for stocks, bonds, and short-term and foreign currency funds in the wake of the lifting of martial law that morning. So now, disebabkan, I want to show you guys something. Disebabkan ni, tengok apa berlaku bila North Korea declare martial law. Bitcoin telah junam kepada 64,000 di chart Korea. On Korean charts, Bitcoin telah dump macam ni. Right, so imagine Bitcoin dump macam ni. Imagine the other stock markets and the other financial markets yang lain di Korea. It must have been extremely terrible. That's why sekarang mereka telah ambil keputusan untuk pump duit, right? Pump money into the economy to fix the problem. Okay, dan bila ada duit masuk kepada market, the Koreans, this will help the market in general. Right, this will help the market in general. We know how crazy the Koreans are when it comes to crypto. Okay, so this is very bullish for the market, for the whole financial market. Right, Korea pumping liquidity, but this will also create a big bubble. right? Sebab it's artificial, not artificial lah, but they're inflating the economy, and eventually they kena cool down juga. Sama juga, bila dia naik, dia kena pull back. Okay. Another thing, I think I mentioned this in our live stream, not in the video, but in a live stream, that there was rumors that mungkin US government akan jual semua Bitcoin mereka, right? Dan I don't know if this is true or not, but this may be Biden, dia nak balas dendam atau dia nak tunjuk kuat dengan Trump. So sekarang Biden masih dalam office ya, Trump belum masuk office lagi. So sekarang Biden mungkin dia nak balas dendam, dia nak tunjuk hebat apa, dia pergi jual semua Bitcoin US government. Sebab Trump nak buat Bitcoin reserve kan. So mana tahu Biden nak tunjuk hebat, dia pergi jual semua. Right? But we don't know. Tapi Trump telah cakap kalau Biden buat ni, dia akan beli balik Bitcoin tu. So to me, this is not a big issue for now lah. For now, I don't think it's a big issue. Dan kalau kita tengok jumlah Bitcoin tu pun 1.9 billion, not really a lot lah. I think Michael Saylor boleh beli ni dalam satu hari je. Okay, so that's my opinion on this US government moving 1.92 Bitcoin. Sebab ini yang menyebabkan kita pullback beberapa hari lepas, right? There was a bit of FUD created by this news yang buat kita pullback sikit. Okay, and now let's look at this views to various Bitcoin and crypto YouTubers. So ini adalah salah satu indicator bila kita telah sampai sebuah peak, when we are at the top of a cycle. So if we look at this. This is the price of Bitcoin. Garisan putih ni ialah harga Bitcoin, dan chart warna-warni ni ialah views for crypto channel. So bila views dan subscribers sebuah YouTube channel spike sangat-sangat tinggi macam ni, it usually shows that the market has completely overheated. But now we're still relatively low. Right, we are still relatively low. When this chart spikes up and crosses the price line, like we saw here, then maybe we should start to get scared. Tapi based on research saya pun, di bulan lepas, bila saya tengok jumlah search volume, maksudnya berapa orang yang sedang search cara beli Bitcoin di YouTube, pada bulan lepas ada lebih kurang 12,000 orang yang search keyword itu di YouTube setiap bulan. 12,000. Untuk masa sekarang, setiap bulan untuk volume orang search keyword itu hanya 2 ke 3 ribu sahaja. So we're not even close to the peak, guys. We're not even close to the peak. Okay, in terms of the social sentiment lah, right? So let's get into the charts. I want to show you guys a few things, then I want to show you a few trades that I have entered. Sebelum tu, Bybit's 6th anniversary, guys. Bybit's 6th anniversary. Up to 1.2 million prize pool awaits for you guys. Dan you guys ada sebuah bull ini, right? It's like a pet. You guys boleh bagi dia makan, bagi dia baju, bagi dia topi semua. Okay, so feed your BB Soul for a guaranteed win. Ada rewards, ada daily task dan sebagainya. So apa you kena buat? You kena collect feeding bottle, susu. Okay, you kena collect susu dan bagi kepada ni, you punya anak ni. Right, this is your bull. Okay, so you kena collect susu dan bagi dia. Dan bila bull anda rank up, then you get some rewards. Okay, you get some rewards. Alright, let's look at what you get. Oh, so you can dress up your bull like this. So you boleh bagi dia baju lah. Okay. Let's see. Level up for more rewards. Daily ranking rewards. Okay, collect feeding bottles daily. The top 100 users will be with the most bottles will share 2,000 USDT prize pool. The more bottles you collect, the higher your rank. Let's see kalau ada dekat sini ya. Okay, let me click on this. And we can actually see what the task are. Okay, so nampak. Okay, this is the bull. You tekan-tekan, you boleh kacau dia. Saya bagi dia satu botol. Tengok dia minum. Okay, dia minum ni. Gluk. Saya baru level 1 di account ni. Okay, and you can see down here you have daily task. So bila you siapkan task ni, you akan dapat bottle. Okay, so the more you feed it, the more you rank up. Dan boleh tengok leaderboard dekat sini. Okay, and you can share a prize pool up to 1.2 million USDT. So very simple stuff. Saya akan letak link untuk event ni di bawah. Okay, saya akan letak link untuk event ini di bawah. Alright, event ini dari 28 hingga 6 January. Alright, dan bull ni you boleh set as your Bybit profile picture. So bull ni takkan hilang lah, right? Takkan you dah bagi dia makan, you dah jaga dia, dan dia tiba-tiba hilang. Tak, you boleh set dia as your profile picture, so dia takkan hilang. Wow, I can feed 10. Oi, dia terus pergi level 3 oh. Dress up. Okay, jap, sorry. Okay, saya bagi dia ni dulu. Dress up, done. Okay. Oh, wow, berapa botol saya dapat? Jap. Okay, saya bagi dia. I prefer this. Okay. Last bottle. Okay, done. Jap, apa ni? So, nampak saya dapat reward. 1 USD, 1 USD, 0.2, 1 USD. Okay, so just like that. Very simple, very fun and easy to do. Now, let's get into the charts, guys. Let's get into the charts. So, first thing, market cap USDT baru saja break down daripada support. So previously USDT, we were on this very strong upwards trend, but now we have broken out of this trend dan kita dah break out daripada support ini. We're breaking out of this support, dan bila USDT dominance jatuh, that means other altcoins, other crypto will start to dominate the market. Right? This is a strong indication that alt season is starting. Now, saya tunjuk anda crypto bubbles tadi Saya tunjuk anda crypto bubbles tadi. Right? Dan mungkin anda tertanya, kenapa Bitcoin dah 100k tapi altcoin tak fly pun? Dan inilah sebab dia. This is the reason. BTC.D, Bitcoin dominance. Look at what has been happening. We've been going up. So, walaupun harga Bitcoin naik, tapi Bitcoin dominance pun naik. That means Bitcoin sedang mendominasikan market. All the money is going into Bitcoin for now. Tapi but this is good. This is good. Jangan salah faham. Ini ialah benda baik. Sebab Bitcoin naik dan Bitcoin dominance pun naik juga. Altcoin akan stable. Kebanyakan altcoin akan stable. Mereka tak junap. Okay, mereka tak junap. Dan bila Bitcoin naik macam ni, apa yang biasanya akan berlaku ialah Bitcoin akan mula range. Dia akan cari sebuah range. Okay, based on auction market theory, the price needs to find a range di mana buyer dan seller setuju dengan harga. Alright, dan bila price cari range ini, that's when you will usually see Bitcoin dominance will fall. And when Bitcoin dominance falls dan Bitcoin telah pump dan sedang buat range, ini bagi peluang untuk altcoin lain mula pump. So that's when things will start to get crazy. So di live stream 2 hari lepas saya dah cakap, we're entering the bottom of this channel here. Expect a bounce. Expect a bounce. I won't be surprised if we bounce up to the mid range. Sebab mid range ni ialah magnet. Tengok, we always pull back to the mid range. Yeah, so this mid range acts like a magnet. So don't be surprised if we pull back all the way here. Barulah kita junam and break out of this channel. Okay, don't be surprised if that happens. Okay, so that's BTC.D. Look at USDT.D. Let's look at Bitcoin. I don't think there's a lot to look at lah. Kita dah breakout kau-kau, guys. Kita dah breakout kau-kau. So looking at 4 hour, broken out through here. Most likely we will probably find a range. I would like to see it maintain a range here. Saya nak tengok dia maintain sebuah range macam ni lah. Right? I don't want to see it break below this. I extremely do not want to see it break below this. Sebab kalau kita break below ni, then we are entering this lower range. But for now, if we can maintain above this support, would be great. If we can maintain above this structure, also great. But I want to see it start ranging, right? Start ranging. Give time for the altcoins to pump. So this would be good. This will be very good. Okay, so Bitcoin for now, kalau you nak long, tunggulah dia pull back sikit. Okay, tunggu dia pull back sikit. Right now, this 38 and 0.5 level looks pretty good because it lines up with the support right here, the previous all-time high. So if you're going to long, this is a valid long trade. but you will be targeting very new highs. Okay, this is price discovery territory. We are currently discovering what the new price of Bitcoin is. Okay, now one more chart I want to show you guys. Solana ETH, kekuatan Solana against ETH. Okay, so looking at this chart, it looks like we're in a downtrend, right? Right, macam Solana lemah berbanding ETH. Tapi kalau you zoom out sikit, kita pergi 1 week lah. Look at this. Look at this. Kita dah break all time high, right? Kita dah break all time high dan kita sedang retest kepada support. So when this retest and bounces here, we even have the 50 EMA coming up. Nampak garisan ni? This is the 50 EMA. When this bounces, guys, get ready for a crazy Solana ecosystem bull run. Okay, get ready for crazy Solana ecosystem bull run. So keep an eye on this chart, Sol ETH, right? Because at any time Solana boleh meletup. Solana will definitely outperform outperform Ethereum this cycle in terms of relative price increases, right? In terms of market cap, I don't know if Solana boleh overtake Ethereum in terms of market cap. Right, sebab Ethereum is like what, hampir 500 billion sekarang. Solana is about 150 billion market cap. Yeah, so I'm not saying so Ethereum will be weak, ya. Saya bukan cakap Ethereum akan jadi weak. Ethereum will still be strong. Tetapi in terms of price increases, Solana boleh increase lebih sebab dia masih murah berbanding Ethereum dan market cap dia lebih kecil berbanding Ethereum. So it can move more compared to Ethereum. And that's why I think that this chart is very important, because once we see this bounce, we could see the whole Solana ecosystem meletup. Alright, so this is a very important chart. Now, ada dua trade yang saya telah enter tadi. One of it is Popcat. This is a meme coin in the Solana ecosystem. Tapi saya telah enter based on time frame kecil, 4 hour. Ya. Saya telah enter based on 4 hour. Okay, so what I see is price telah buat deviation ke bawah ni, deviation ke bawah, dia dah sweep liquidity sini, deviated, and we have, looks like we are claiming back our support level here. So saya telah enter sebuah long sini. Okay, again, with any trade I enter now, I want to see if we can break the highs. Right, I want to see if we can break the highs. Saya nak cuba hold as long as I can. So this is just a small trade that I entered, Popcat, based on the 4-hour time frame. Another one that I entered was WLD. Let me just show you guys in the nila. So WLD, yeah, this is the trade I entered for WLD based on 2 hour. This is a more of a intraday shorter term trade lah, compared to the other trades I take now, which are more on daily time frame, weekly time frame. This is on the 2-hour time frame. Okay, dan lagi sekali, malam ni kita ada quick start program, 30-minute introduction to the Kyzen Academy dan cara enter trade di Pionex dan juga di Bybit. So for this month, the Academy has a very packed schedule. We have 4 live sessions every week for you guys. 4 live sessions every week for you guys in the Academy. Okay, so saya minta maaf kalau saya tak rajin upload dekat YouTube or TikTok, because my focus right now is on the members in the Academy. Sebab orang yang dah join Academy ni ialah orang yang betul-betul serius nak belajar. Okay, I will do my best to try and update on YouTube, on TikTok, but if you guys want to make the most out of this bull run, you guys should come into the Academy. It's free, guys. The Academy is free. Okay, you guys boleh tekan link dekat bawah dan PM saya. I will onboard you guys into the Academy. So itu saja dari saya untuk video kali ini. I hope you guys got some insight from here. Lagi sekali guys, thank you so much for 10k. We are growing so fast. Make sure you guys hit the like button, letak komen dekat bawah dan saya akan jawab dalam video seterusnya. Jumpa anda di sana.